What do you got?
This. Let's see.
Go give Henry some hot chocolate.
Okay.
Henry might like a little hot chocolate.
The mugs are in the cabinet up there.
Where?
In the white cabinet up there. The mugs. Up there. Look up there. There's two white. No, inside the kitchen. There's two mugs. Open that cabinet.
That's white one?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
Turn around. Turn around. Right there.
Where?
Near the microwave.
This? This? This?
No, that one.
This? Oh.
There's a little mug inside. A mug.
A mug?
Oh, here's the mug. Here's the mug for the hot chocolate. Pour it for Henry.
No, what's wrong?
Can I have a slice of pizza, please?
I have some.
Yeah, where's the pizza? I think it's in the oven. Can you check the oven? Any pizza in the oven?
I'll have some there.
Yes?
No, I don't have some there.
You sure?
You do. It's right there.
I don't have some.
Mm-mm.
No.
You sure?
No. My son. I do.
Maybe Henry's gonna eat something. Why don't you pour some of that drink for Henry? He might like it.
No?
No?
I have chocolate here. I have chocolate here for you.
Thank you, Booby. Mommy loves hot chocolate.
I have pizza here. I have pizza here.
No pizza?
Henry?
See, I have everything here.
Oh, why don't you go in the kitchen?
What?
Henry, blow a kiss. Blow a kiss, Henry. Henry, blow a kiss. Henry, kisses. One more. One more kiss. Henry, kiss. Henry, how do you kiss?
Here.
Henry.